The last thing I will do is to change this go to XY. So I change this guy to 240. This to 0. When I click on this, now you can see the roads of zombie coming in, following the mouse, following the player. Sorry about that. Now zombies now spawn and chase our player. Watch out. Spooky now, we've got our zombie chasing us and bullets flying everywhere. Your game is already fun, but this you can make optional, you can make improvements by maybe adding a score variable, health life, sound effects, introduce stronger, faster zombies, and that is it. You build a complete zombie shooter game from scratch. If you enjoyed this series, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your ideas or your own improvements. Happy coding.